Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent chain. The compound is a cyclohexane ring, so the parent name is cyclohexane. Moving on to the next step. Identify all substituents. Looking at the structure, there is a hydroxyl group, or a chlorine, Cl, a bromine, Br, and a cyclopropyl group attached to the ring. Moving on to the next step. Assign principal characteristic group. The OH, alcohol, group is the principal characteristic group and gets the lowest possible locant. It is named as a suffix, ol, giving cyclohexanol as the base name. And for the final step, number the ring. Place the OH group at C1 to give it the lowest locant. Number the ring in the direction that gives the remaining substituents the lowest set of locants. Going around the ring from C1 or C2 would be adjacent, but based on the structure, Cl is 2 carbons away from OH and Br is 3 carbons away, with cyclopropyl 4 carbons away. Assign locants. With OH at C1 numbering to give lowest locants to substituents, Cl is at C3, Br is at C4, cyclopropyl is at C5. This gives the locant set 3, 4, 5. Alphabetical order of substituents in the name. Substituents listed alphabetically: bromo, 4, chloro, 3, cyclopropyl, 5. Assemble the name. 4 bromo, 3 chloro, 5 cyclopropyl cyclohexane 1 ol, commonly written as 4 bromo, 3 chloro, 5 cyclopropyl cyclohexanol. Verify locants. The set 3, 4, 5 for Cl, Br, cyclopropyl with OH at C1 is consistent with the structural drawing where Cl and OH are on adjacentish carbons at the top, Br is next to Cl, and cyclopropyl is at the bottom carbon adjacent to Br. Therefore, the correct answer is 4 bromo, 3 chloro, 5 cyclopropyl cyclohexanol. The correct answer is shown on screen.